Now, Raj Kundra, actor Shilpa Shetty's husband, is at the centre of a storm over his alleged involvement in making porn films. India Today has accessed the testimony of a young woman who claimed that on the pretext of giving her a break in Bollywood, she was forced to shoot a porn film. Here's our exclusive report.
A celebrity business tycoon, a multi-crore porn racket, at the center of which are aspiring models and actresses, exploited by showing them big Bollywood dreams. India Today has accessed sensational testimony of one of these young women who was approached by Kundra's company to feature in adult videos for his app Hot Shots. The testimony is part of a second FIR in the case that has now been transferred to the Mumbai crime branch. The allegations by a small-town girl who dreamt of stardom exposes the dark reality of the pornographic racket. The complainant claims to have been approached by a gang whose two members worked for Raj Kundra's app Hot Shots. The victim alleges that she was told that she would be shooting 2 videos in Mumbai's Mud Island and Lonavala. She was promised 1 lakh rupees, but her contract with Hot Shots mentioned just 10,000 rupees. The makers claimed they needed to save tax. But that was just the beginning of the deception. When the girl arrived to shoot the video, she was asked to film adult content. When she refused, the makers tried to convince her that the bold scenes will not be a part of the final cut. The makers also assured her that she would be shown the final version of the videos before the release. It was on this pretext that she was made to shoot 4 videos. But the woman was shocked to see that the nude scenes shot by her were uploaded on Kundra's porn app. Nothing was edited out and her permission was not taken. Worse, she was only paid 3,500 rupees. The victim's statement will now be recorded before a magistrate and could spell more trouble for Raj Kundra. With Saurabh Bhaktania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, we have some big breaking news coming in. The Bombay High Court wraps actor Shilpa Shetty Kundra over her plea seeking media gag alleging malicious campaign against her and her family. Bombay High Court says that Shilpa's plea to supervise editorial exercise is very dangerous. Questioning Shilpa, the court further added that how is a story from police source defamatory? The court further said, you chose a life in the public eye. Nobody reported about your private life. The court will now hear the matter on September 20th. In fact, the Bombay court there wraps Shilpa Shetty, asking her how is it, or rather telling her, informing her that it's not defamatory for media to carry information based on police information. Vidya joining us, more details on that. Vidya, do take us to exactly what the Bombay High Court has said while the court wraps Shilpa Shetty and also almost tells her off that she's the one who chose public life.
Well, the Bombay High Court was very categorical when it came to passing an order on the suit that has been filed by Shilpa Shetty. In fact, Shilpa had said that, various media houses as well as social media had been putting up posts which were defamatory. However, the court very clearly said that the gag order cannot be passed, and if there was any issue that she had could be specific, then when she spoke about the specifics, the court realized that yes, those videos where she had pointed out had already been taken down, and the makers of those videos had told court that they will not upload. So certainly that injunction that she was looking for, she did not get. And the court specifically said that, there's a very thin line. And the fact that, the courts, even the Supreme Court has recently held that the court and the media have to coexist and it cannot be separated. The fact that media cannot be gagged is something that was repeated by Justice Gautam Patel today. And that's something that very clearly came out of this order, and almost an hour-long discussion that really happened in the court in Mumbai.
Right, Vidya, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Now, as Raj Kundra continues to be in jail for his alleged involvement in the porn scandal, politics has now erupted. BJP leader Ram Kadam has now levelled some sensational charges, alleging that Kundra physically harassed a famous model cum actor. Ram Kadam further stated that in the month of April this year, the actor filed a complaint at Juhu police station, but her application wasn't really moved and instead the model was pressurized. He sought answers from the government, saying who were these people who put pressure on the actress, and no action was taken against Raj Kundra. He's also accused Raj Kundra of committing fraud of more than 3,000 crores. Kadam has said that Vian Industries created an online game by the name of Game of Dot, which collected crores of rupees from various distributors.
ऐसे अभिनेत्री स्वयं देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी से लेकर के, उसे विश्वास है प्रधानमंत्री जी न्याय देंगे, सभी को खत लिखती हैं। वहां के पुलिस अधिकारी कह रहे हैं हाँ उसने हमें अर्जी लगाई, अर्जी में कहा उसके साथ शारीरिक उत्पीड़न हुआ है, उसके साथ धोखाधड़ी राज कुंद्रा ने की है। अचानक से रातों रात ऐसा क्या हो गया कि वह एप्लीकेशन आगे बढ़ नहीं पाया? उस अभिनेत्री पर किसने दबाव बनाया? अब कौन सा ऐसा दबाव था? दबाव बनाने वाले में कौन से ऐसे शक्ति केंद्र थे? इस बात का जवाब हम महाराष्ट्र सरकार से चाहते हैं।
Now, adult film actor Sherlyn Chopra will record her statement in connection with Raj Kundra's porn scandal. Sherlyn will give her statement as a witness to the Mumbai Police Crime Branch. It's expected today. In fact, Sherlyn was denied protection from arrest by the Mumbai court earlier. She already has grievances against Kundra and even recorded a statement against him in March. In her earlier statement to Cyber Cell, Sherlyn said Raj Kundra had requested her to shoot a content for his Hot Shots app, but she refused as she found content on the platform too sleazy and down-market. She even revealed that in March 2019, Kundra had approached her manager with the idea of Sherlyn Chopra app, saying that the content she uploads on social media is free. Instead, she can actually monetize through this app.
Adult film star Sherlyn Chopra has exposed Raj Kundra's dirty picture. Sherlyn has made sensational revelations about Kundra's Hot Shot app and his porn filmmaking business. India Today has accessed Sherlyn's statement to the Mumbai Cyber Police that she recorded in March this year. Sherlyn Chopra claims that Raj Kundra requested her to shoot for a video to be streamed on his porn app Hot Shot, but she refused because she found the content on the app to be sleazy and down-market. Sherlyn says she signed a contract with Kundra's firm Arms Prime in 2019 to monetize the adult content she shared online. One of the videos she shot under this contract was titled Chocolate, which is now under investigation. She alleges that the video was shot at an Andheri hotel and that she would have heated arguments with the creative head who asked her to lower her inhibitions and pose like Hollywood models. Sherlyn Chopra did not renew her contract with Hot Shots as she fell out with Kundra over the 50-50 revenue sharing model. The adult star claims that despite her demand for her videos be deleted after the end of agreement, the content is still available online. Mumbai Crime Branch is yet to record Sherlyn Chopra's statement, who also has alleged that Kundra forced her into the porn industry. With Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
Here's some big news coming in. CBI court will now hear Jia Khan death case, which has been pending for about 8 years. The Sessions Court, which was conducting a trial against her boyfriend actor Suraj Pancholi on charges of alleged abatement, has now said the trial should be transferred to a special CBI court. Here's some big news coming in. The CBI court now will be taking over, or rather hearing, Jia Khan's death case, which has been pending for 8 years now. Sessions Court, which was conducting a trial against her boyfriend actor Suraj Pancholi on charges of alleged abatement, has now said the trial should be transferred to a special CBI court. Now, India's PV Sindhu is only a victory away from ensuring India gets a medal in the women's badminton singles. Sindhu defeated Japan's Akane Yamaguchi in straight games quarterfinals. In fact, the 26-year-old, who won a silver in 2016 Rio Olympics, defended brilliantly and rode on her attack to outclass the fourth-seeded Yamaguchi 21-13, 22-20 in a 56-minute quarterfinal clash. After Sindhu took a 6-point lead in the second game, Yamaguchi rode back to go ahead 20-18. But Sindhu saved 2 game points and won the match. Sindhu, in fact, is yet to lose a game at the Olympics so far. Her performance, her track record so far has been great, a feat she'll hope that it continues when she faces number 2 seed Tai Tzu Ying for a place in the finals.
Boxer Lavleena makes India proud. Confirms India's second medal in Tokyo. Boxes her way to Olympic glory. Destroys world number 2 in the quarterfinals. Celebrations erupt after historic bout. Go for gold, Lavleena.
Now, Lavleena Borgohain set for a lovely moment at the Tokyo Olympics. Boxer from Assam has made India proud indeed. She has assured the country of a medal at the Tokyo 2021 Olympics. Lavleena pulled off an exceptional performance in the last 8, ensuring India finds presence on the medal podium after Mirabai Chanu in the welterweight lifting competition. Here's how the country woke up this morning to some pleasant sports updates.
Lavleena Borgohain has made history. The girl from Assam has assured India of their second medal. She will at least win a bronze in her welterweight category after she defeated former world champion Chinese Taipei's Chen Nian-chin. And in the process, she avenged her defeat from the 2018 World Championship semi-final in Delhi. In fact, she was prancing around like a tiger does around its prey, as if she knew she was going to win. The 23-year-old won through a split decision, a 4-1 result in her favor.
आज मेरा क्वार्टर फाइनल मैच था, मैं ताइपाई को हराया, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और नेक्स्ट सेमीफाइनल है, सेमीफाइनल में और अच्छा करने की कोशिश करूंगी, इंडिया के लिए गोल्ड मेडल लेके जाने की कोशिश करूंगी.
She is only the third Indian boxer after Vijender Singh and MC Mary Kom to win a medal at the world's biggest sporting event. Her sterling show in the boxing ring will ensure India moves up in the medal tally. While Lavleena was battling her way into the semis, her family was cheering for her in her hometown in Assam. In fact, her father couldn't hide the excitement when he spoke to India today.
मेडल सुनिश्चित हो गया उसका ब्रॉन्ज का, अभी और वो आगे जाए, फाइनल तक जाए और गोल्ड मेडल लाए. हम लोग का तो आशीर्वाद है देश के लिए, इंडिया के लिए, असम के लिए गोल्ड मेडल जीत के लाए.
The entire country is incredibly happy. After all, it is one of their daughters again that has made them proud. Lavleena will now face Turkey's Bусина Sürmeneli, the 2019 world champion, on August the 4th. Will it be bronze, silver or gold? That only time will tell. But it is time to cherish the achievement of a boxer. It is time to say, Lavleena, go for gold.
Lavleena Borgohain, remember the name. And come the semi-final day, sit in front of your television sets and pray. Can bronze be bettered to silver or even to gold? She was stellar against a much fancied opponent. Now she faces the world number one, but clearly for Lovelina, the world is her oyster and 1.3 billion people her strength. With video journalist Shiv Prashant, this is Boria Majumdar in Tokyo for India Today.
Reactions now started to pour in as soon as the news spread that boxer Lovelina Borgohain is assured of a medal at the Tokyo Olympics. Here's a compilation of some of the best to watch out.
From Golaghat to Tokyo, Lovelina's journey to an Olympic medal has been extraordinary. As the 23-year-old assured India of their second medal, the country applauded its new hero. Law Minister Kiren Rijiju, who is also the former sports minister, lauded Lovelina for her dedication.
I must congratulate Lovelina for lovely boxing. Lovelina is a very, very hard-working, dedicated and devoted boxer. Very young, prominent boxer. She's from Assam and she has made India proud.
Sports Minister Anurag Thakur was delighted at Lovelina's achievement. He said the country has high hopes from its athletes and the expectations of the nation are on the rise due to performances like Lovelina's.
भारत को अपने एथलीट से बहुत उम्मीदें हैं और जैसा मैंने पहले कहा, लवलीना ने जिस तरह से आज प्रदर्शन किया है वो शानदार है, उम्मीदें और बड़ी हैं और मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है और अच्छा प्रदर्शन होगा।
Meanwhile, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma took to Twitter to send his wishes to the 23-year-old. Earlier, the Chief Minister had been trolled by netizens for putting up posters wishing the Olympic athlete. Posters, instead of having Lovelina's photo, had his. Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, the former Chief Minister of Assam, also congratulated the boxing star on Twitter, saying the dream lives on.
We are all proud of her success and we are confident that she is going to get the medal.
Apart from the leaders, even the sporting fraternity was in awe. Vijender Singh, the former Olympic bronze medalist, expressed his joy and relief on Twitter. Former Sports Minister and 2004 Olympic silver medalist Rajyavardhan Singh Rathod highlighted how it is the daughters of the country that continue to make us proud. While bronze is a surety, India must not feel content with only a medal. While we celebrate our heroes, let us hope that they keep striving for more. Sports Bureau India Today.